Hope all is well in Cryptoville for everybody out there, the crypto enthusiasts, investors. Pretty serious message right here. I'm dealing with taxes right now. I'm trying to show some losses with different things, with my business and my investments. Okay, here's what's up. And if you're interested, the Economic Ninja talks about this. He did a detailed, crazy course that's cheap on it's HILO versus LIHO, which means highest in, lowest out is HILO, lowest in, highest out, LIHO. Now this has to do if you got Coinbase and you're sitting there and you go in there to click a buy or sell, there's a little notice at the bottom that says which one you have chosen. This is very important. If you are trying to wash a trade, and I'm not going to go into that whole thing, that's your tax professional can tell you about that. But sometimes when your positions are down at the end of the year, you can sell it and buy it back at a loss. Therefore, write off the loss on your taxes, saving you tax dollars. Okay, that's it in a nutshell. When you sell, that little notice comes up there, and you can click Learn More, and it does explain it to you. But listen, if you're trying to wash a trade, you want to use highest in and then lowest out. Doesn't that make sense? For tax purposes, that means you're going to show a loss. Now, if you're in a situation where you're trying to qualify for a car loan or a mortgage loan or something, you need to show a little bit more revenue or a little bit more income. This is kind of could be, there's a lot to this whole thing. A little bit tricky, but you can use the lowest in, highest out. Even though your position might be under from where you bought it at the top, but maybe somewhere along the way there you dollar cost average in and you bought lower to where it kicked up and you can show a profit on the lowest in, highest out. Talking about buy or sell. Now, this could sound complicated, but you can make it simpler than it is. Okay. I just washed 7 trades, full disclosure. Okay. That's not, trust me, I have more positions. I got like 15, 16 positions. So about half of my, and they're small little pieces that I'm taking. There's only one. I don't want to say what it is, but it is an alt token that I still stand by, and I know I'm going to make money on it. But you got to be more patient. But that thing was down a lot. So what I've learned in my investment career is that you've never lost until you go and sell. Okay. Now, when we're talking about wash trade, I sold, but I don't plan on staying out of these positions. I buy back in. I wait 24 hours. Some people buy it back right away. I heard a couple different narratives on why you should wait, but I'm going to wait a full 24 hours to buy my same positions back in. There's only one position that I might not go back in on. I'm going to do a little more fundamental research on it, but I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Get aware and study up on highest in, lowest out versus lowest in, highest out. Study those two things. Not even study, but just have an idea what they mean and how they can apply to what you're doing in your investment journey. So, hey, that's all I got for you today. Appreciate your time, like always, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your holiday vacation week. Waiting for the big man to come in and bring you some good presents. All right, people. Appreciate your time. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you would, please. Crypto Hop signing out. All right, peace out. Peace out. Much love.